Okay, very good. So, this one, I brush my teeth every day. Sige lang, tuloy mo lang. You can do it, anak. Very good. So, ito, basahin mo na yan. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Wala na akong hint yan, ha? Okay? Galingan mo, ha? Sige, what about this one? We like to play with dolls. Sige, tuloy. Again, nice. Well done. Wait, bibigyan kita ng stars. Yan. Bilang galing, ha? Okay, ha? Well done, anak. Okay. So, we went fishing yesterday. Sige, sige, sige. Tuloy yan. Oh, well done. Sige, ito. We go to church every Sunday. Sige, tuloy. Oo, we always say, diba? Eat our meals together. Sabay-sabay sila kumakain. Ika nga, diba, anak? Tomorrow. Okay, tapos na naman tayo. Ang galing mo na pala eh, magbasa eh. Diba? Another star na naman. So, ang gagawin natin ay magpapaspelling ulit tayo. Okay? Hanggang sa makuha natin yung mga basic reading. Okay? Hello sa inyo lahat. VSO Singer is here. Today, I'm not a VSO Singer. For today, I'm not VSO Singer. Today, I am Teacher Dave. Yan. Tagalog na muna tayo. Kakapagod kasi naman English. Hindi ko naman kasi 40 yung pag-i-English. Ngayon, wala muna tayong cover videos. More on vlogging lang muna tayo. Balik tayo ulit sa pagbablog. Kasi nga marami akong inasikasong kliyente. Okay guys, pero sa ngayon, magbabalik tayo sa pagbabloging muna, ha? So, ito muna maipapakita ko. More on teaching muna tayo. Okay? Nakapagod din English na guys. Nakakapagod din. So, that's why... Oh, English na. So, that's why I am speaking Tagalog. The joke lang. Ayun. Nakapagod guys. Wait lang. Tanggalin ko muna ito yung headset natin. Hindi muna tayo VSO Singer. No VSO Singer for today. VSO Singer is gone. VSO Singer is banished forever. Just kidding lang. So, more on adventure vlog muna tayo ngayon, ha? Wala muna tayong mga singing content. Retirado po muna tayo. We are retired for a while. So you see, I'm not VSO Singer for today. I am either Teacher Dave, you know. So, I am teaching kids. Lots of kids. And I am making songs to my clients. You know. In other words, no singing. Ganon lang yan. Ay, nakakapagod. Ganun lang yun guys. And I'll see you guys to my next video. Bye-bye! By the way, this is a short video only ha. Okay? Short lang nito. So, yun. Paalam na muna guys. Love. Bye-bye!